Hi everybody. Okay, things look a little wild because I'm here to finish up these sinking funds because there's so many of them. I had split the video into two and was still a little over in the last video, so definitely next time we'll be full on splitting the video into two. Hi, I'm Mila and I'm here for our sinking funds for the month of July. So let's finish this out. Should be pretty quick. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, or if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love. And I will see you all in just 1 minute. Okay, so here we go. We are working on spring equinox. We just have these couple and then some savings to do, and then we are done. So we're working on spring equinox for 2024. Fabulous. And it gets 3. 1, 2, 3. We might actually just have to leave that there the way it is. So we'll see. Looks like we do. Lots of 20, lots of 10s in here. I should probably switch this out for 20 at some point. Okay, but we are up to how much? 14. 14 for 2022, 2024. Jesus. Okay, let's write that down so we don't forget. 13. 14. Alright, we need, we're finishing out a year for summer solstice. So where are we at? So we've done 20, we're right at, look at this, y'all, that's beautiful. Alright, so we are at 2022. We get $3 that I don't have. So the total that we should have would be, how much should we give back? We would be adding 3, so that would be 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So we should have 32 left over. So let's put these 2 here, these 2 there, this one here. So there's a 30 for 2022. And then here's the next one, 2 for the next one. Starting over with the new one. That's exciting. Okay, so we have now hit 2 for the next year. Yay, they were already started on next year for summer solstice. Summer solstice just passed, and I actually spent that money, as you all can see, for the past year. So now we're at fall equinox. Ooh, we got a lot of ones here, which I should switch out. I got a lot of ones. Wowzers. Okay. I think I can actually split out 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's do that first off so I can get some change. Alright, now that one's done. Yay! And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's actually split that out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one, yay. And then let's add the 3 that we get. 1, look at that, nothing but 1s, but that's great because that's what we need. So 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So now we are at, oh my goodness. We're at the new year, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 going into 2023. Is that right? Because this is fall equinox. Yes, it is. Okay. So, $9. Perfect. 9. And then winter solstice. Winter solstice feels thick, y'all. My goodness. Oh, this is another one with a lot of 1s. All right, I'm going to need to start switching these out, huh? So, because we have a crap ton of 1s here. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I think I have a lot of money left over. I have to figure out what's going on with that. So 1, 2, 3. Oh goodness. The 5 hidden in here? Oh no, not hidden. Ah, you dropped $1. Okay. 5. Boop. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. These. So we definitely have some that need to get switched out. I think I know exactly where I want to put that. Alright. There we go. So these are done. Oh, you know what? No, I might not be off. I should have 8 left over. Let's see if we've got that. 1, 2. Yeah, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, because we have a new one that I don't actually know if I have anywhere to actually put that, like to keep up with it. I feel like I don't, honestly. Here's savings. A little bit that I do have. I only have these ones. I don't have anywhere written down. So we should start tracking this. I just have to figure out how I want it to go, because I have an account savings that I won't be able to add to, because of course, it's in the account. So what I will do is here's emergency savings. It gets $2. I guess I'll just write it down and I'll figure out how I want it to be organized later. Let's try that. So emergency, which I think is supposed to be security savings now, but I don't know. So plus $2. So that leaves us with 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And this is why I always say, like, it does not matter. Like, put the money aside. Put the money aside and just save it. Because it will start to grow. Even if you start super small and you're just like, oh, I have this huge, like, goal that I want to have. Just start anywhere. It'll be worth it. Car. Now, this is not going to stay like this because that's madness. It gets plus 2. But for now, just so that I have somewhere where I'm keeping up. This isn't even glued. What a mess. Okay, well, this will be what car goes. And it just got $2. So it started out with 2. And then we have long-term savings, which is right here. That one's 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There you go. And so that's long-term savings, 16 plus 2, 16 total. And then we have 2 for the savings that's in the savings account, and that's it. All right, so it took a little while, but we got there. I have to figure out what I'm gonna do with the savings. You all let me know what you do with your savings, how you track it, if you just put it in a spreadsheet or something like that, or keep it all online. Since these are so small, I didn't want to put them in a bank account yet. I want to get them up to 100. I think that's what my goal is going to be. I need to go over my financial goals. We're going to have to do a review, y'all, because we're halfway through the year. So we'll have to do a review of the goals. So once I figure that out, I'll let y'all know what that looks like and how I'm going to track it. But this is it. This is Sinking Funds for July 2021. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all later. Have a great one. Bye-bye.